when you're planning, another really important thing is how you're going to show materials to people. Do you have sort of a whiteboard set up? Do you have something that you want them to read? Do you have like an exercise, and how are you going to show it to them? So is it a PowerPoint slide? Is it something that's a PDF and they print it off or they view it on their screen at home? Are you going to speak it? And how much text do you actually display at one time? So, for example, for a reading, it kind of really makes more sense for you to be able to show that text as a whole. But if you show it as a whole, it doesn't really fit on your screen. So you've got to consider how you might split that text up, or whether you're going to scroll through it on the screen as you're talking. And sometimes that can be really complicated because you're trying to read and you're trying to communicate and you're trying to scroll all at the same time. So sometimes it's better just to cut it up into smaller pieces, smaller chunks. So you might just pop a paragraph on the screen or even a few lines from the paragraph and focus your attention on that part of the text. Maybe they've got the handout with the full text, but what they see on the screen is just a smaller part of the text. And that goes for sort of exercises and activities as well. Having a handout with the full text or the full information is a really useful resource, because then they can see how it fits into the plan. They can see and they can refer to other things at the same time, whereas on your screen you've just got this really small square that you're looking at. And it does become quite difficult sometimes to follow the sequence or to follow a reading text.